Your PS5 controller is about to get way smarter, and your console way greener. Sony just dropped a surprise beta update, and it changes how you play and how much power you use. Let's break it down. First up, the DualSense controller is finally getting multi-device pairing. That means no more annoying repairing every time you swap between your console, laptop, or phone. Here's how it works. Hold the PS button plus one of the 4 action buttons, triangle, circle, cross, or square, for over 5 seconds. The controller will flash twice, and boom, it enters pairing mode. Each button locks in a different slot. Triangle is slot 1, circle is slot 2, cross is slot 3, and square is slot 4. Once set, switching is instant. Just press the PS button and the same action button again. Even if your controller is off, it'll reconnect to that device like magic. This new feature is available now to beta testers in the US, Canada, UK, Japan, Germany, and France, and rolling out globally in the coming months. But Sony isn't stopping there. A brand new power saver mode is on the way, and it could make a serious impact on energy use. When enabled, the PS5 will scale back performance on supported titles to consume less power without sacrificing core gameplay. It's part of Sony's growing commitment to sustainability, but don't worry, they'll share a full list of compatible games and estimated savings before launch. So whether you're jumping between screens or looking to shrink your power bill, this PS5 update packs real upgrades for the everyday gamer. Want to try it out now? The beta is live in select regions, and Sony says full rollout is just around the corner. Hit that like button if you're excited for smarter PlayStation features, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest gaming updates right here.